Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker. So welcome to another episode of Video House Tours. So ngayon nandito tayo sa Quezon City para makita ang isang modern and elegant house and lot na merong 300 square meters na lot area and 290 square meters na floor area. So meron siyang 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and 2 car garage. So wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's go see inside. So right now, nandito tayo sa labas ng property and makikita nyo yung exterior na medyo may pagka-modern and industrial yung feeling. So meron siyang color scheme na dark brown, dark gray and white. So maganda dito is madami kang mga large windows para madaming natural light na pumapasok. So here, nandito yung 2 car garage. So malaking car garage na to. So kahit SUVs, dahil pa yan, kasyang-kasya dyan. So here we have the pedestrian gate na maganda din kasi may mga finishing dito na parang bato na varnish na painted. So pagkapasok mo ng property, nakita niyo yung main door and it's very elegant kasi pataas siya. Tapos meron ka dito design na harang para sa car garage. So dito makikita nyo naman yung mga large windows. So dito yung high ceiling living room na makikita nyo later in the video. So bago tayo pumunta sa loob, tingnan muna natin yung car garage. So sa car garage, meron kang mga sockets so you don't have to worry kapag maglilinis kayo ng mga cars nyo. Tapos you have this ceiling na maganda din yung full ka-finish. And marami ka rin mga pin lights dito para may ilaw sa gabi, para madalian kayo. So meron din faucet dito kung gusto niyo maghugas. So meron kang setback around the property na 2 meters which nagko-comply sa building code. And dito may sliding door pero mamaya na natin tignan yan. Here we have may mga landscape around the area. Pero marami kasing spaces talaga na pwede mo palagyan ng mga tables, chairs kung may mga bisita kayo. And yung mga canopies around the property na rin na gawa sa polycarbonate. So here, meron kang place, parang dirty kitchen yun na rin. So itong counter space na to, made from ceramic tiles. And may faucet ka na rin. And dito, actually stock room to pero pwede mo na rin gawing maid's quarters pero hindi siya ganun kalaki. So itong property kasi na to, pinag-decidean to before kung titiran talaga or bibenta. So since konti lang sila sa family, hindi sila gumawa ng maid's room talaga. Pero itong stock room, cash na for a single bed. So pwede mo rin gawing maid's quarters. So here sa likod, you have the service area. So pwede kang magbigay ng washing machine dito. And meron kang counter space dito para maghugas ng whatever that is. And again, you have these spaces na pwede mo ring, depende kung anong gusto nyo, kung gusto nyo maglagay ng mga altar or something. Basta malalaki yung mga setbacks talaga, and may pathway talaga dun sa mga setbacks. So hindi lang pure landscape yung setbacks. So here at the left side of the property, may mga faucet din and mga landscapes. So depende again for you. So ang subdivision na to, it's very accessible kasi malapit talaga siya sa SM Fairview. Malapit siya sa hospitals and a lot of schools nearby talaga. So if you're looking for a vicinity or a property in this vicinity, just message me. Ilalagay ko yung contacts ko sa description, and yung price ilalagay ko na sa description, and other details na hindi ko binanggit sa video. So we're now going inside through the main door. So itong main door na to, it's made from solid wood, and meron kang peephole dito para, of course, tignan mo kung sino yung bisita na yan. So maganda yung pagkagawa talaga ng main door. Here is the high ceiling living room. High ceiling talaga siya. And ang maganda is malalaking windows, mga stationary windows dito. And meron kang chandelier. Meron na rin mga kasamang furnitures. So everything that you will see in this video will be included in the sale. So itong mga furnitures na to kasama. And yung mga furnitures na to, hindi na siya basta furnitures. Ito ay mga imported furnitures na mahal talaga. So here is the view. Papunta dun sa staircase leading to the second floor. Pero bago tayo umakyat, explore muna natin yung other parts of the ground floor. So here we have the stock room. So isa pang stock room. So kung marami kayong gamit, marami kayong malalagyan dito. And pwede rin kayo maglagay ng gamit dito, pero mas okay na dito sa stock room. So here, pupunta tayo sa dining area. So this is the dining area. And ang maganda sa dining area is malaki talaga siya. It's very spacious. And meron kang accent dito na wall na pwede kayo maglagay ng isa pang television. So marami din kayo malalagay ng mga gamit dito sa baba kasi may mga cabinets din. So makita niyo yung design ng living room. It's very modern, industrial na rin yung feeling. So kasama na rin tong table na to, nakikita nyo here. Buksan natin yung ilaw para mas ma-appreciate nyo. So another view of the dining area. And yung walls, yung ceilings niya, sobrang daming pin light, so hindi kayo madidiliman talaga. And kasya dito, mga around 10 people kung gusto nyo panlakihan yung table nyo. Since yung gumawa ng property is small family talaga sila, and at first nag-iisip na lang kung bebenta ba nila o titirahan nila. So here is the kitchen. So you have this island sa gitna na made from granite yung countertops. And itong sa baba, mukha siyang semento pero this is actually made from wood na dinesign para mag-complement dun sa granite na block. And of course, you have the dual sink dito. And yung mga fixtures, maganda talaga yung ginamit. High quality yung ginamit na fixtures. So here at in front of the island, marami kang cabinets dito. So these are made from varnished wood. Yan. So meron ka ditong lalagyan ng mga plates. So dito marami ka rin lalagyan ng mga condiments, I guess, or mga extra plates or mga baso nyo. So madami talaga ditong mga mga cabinets, so hindi kayo maubusan. And ang maganda dito is yung wall na to, itong part ng wall na to is also made from granite. And of course, you also have more cabinets here. So again, this is made from granite. And meron ka ding oven na kasama, and exhaust. So again, ito yung door leading sa likod going to the dirty kitchen. Pero nakita na natin yan. So let's now go to the second floor. So maganda dito sa subdivision, it's very secure. Hindi ka basta-basta papapasukin kung wala kang kausap dito or wala kang ka-meeting. Or of course kung wala kayong kakilala na resident dito. So the staircase, yung railings, of course it's made from wood. Tapos itong yung sa gilid is made from tempered glass. So high quality talaga. Tapos meron ka din dito mga large windows for more natural light. So may stationary and awning windows para may pumapasok din na hangin kung gusto nyo. So here sa second floor, yan. So makikita nyo na lahat ng walls are made from white, kulay white, para very minimalist din. So you have this large window here. So itong space na to, wala ka talagang access pupunta dito. So pwede mo na lang siguro lagyan ng mga landscape dyan. So this part, you have another living room. So pwede kang maglagay ng couches dyan. So ito kasama na rin yan. And you can also add here TV kung gusto niyo maglagay ng extra television. So here we have the balcony. So malaki din yung balcony niya. And maganda din is made from tempered glass din yung railings and metal. Ay, wood. Actually metal pala. And sa labas metal. Then you have ceramic tiles din yung gawa yung flooring. Pero may mga CCTVs din kasi. So close up natin. May mga CCTVs din na included. So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung mga CCTVs. Yung views coming from the CCTVs, kung ano yung mga coping. So again, this place is very accessible since sobrang lapit niya sa SM Fairview and hospitals. So if you're familiar with Quezon City, sobrang maganda yung location. So if you're also looking for a property here, you might as well book an appointment para makita niyo ito personally. So here we have 3 bedrooms. Hindi pala natin nakita yung bedroom sa baba. So ito yung bedroom sa baba. So ito naman yung 3 bedrooms. So this is the first bedroom. So makikita nyo na malaki siya. Tapos yung ceiling is one of a kind. So may parang L-shape siya na ceiling na merong pin lights din. Tapos may aircon na rin na included. So window type aircon kasama dyan. And you also have sliding windows here kung gusto nyo na extra air na pumasok. So yung mga bedrooms din and lahat sila high ceiling. Well, it's higher than normal. Pero hindi siya ganun kataas na taas. Pero it's higher than normal. Higher than the standard height. So here, another bedroom. So ganun din yung design niya. You also have the windows, the aircon, and yung mga pin lights. And may mga embossed light ka din. Yan. So marami tayong saksakan kung wonder kayo, meron ka dito. Dalawang saksakan na. So here is the master bedroom. So itong master bedroom, meron siyang sariling bathroom. Tapos yung dalawang bedroom kanina, meron siyang communal bathroom. So dito meron kang mga awning windows para may pumasok pa na natural light. And of course, you have the aircon na kasama, which I think is 1 horsepower, which is sakto lang dun sa bedroom. So dito makikita niyo yung mga kasama dun sa CCTV. And lahat naman yun ay included na in the sale. So here we have the bathroom for the master bedroom. So meron kang partition dito na gawa sa tempered glass for the shower. And of course, kompleto na yung mga fixtures dito for the bathroom. So here we have the walk-in closet ng master bathroom. So you have cabinets here and drawers. And meron ka rin malaking mirror dito. So that's it for this house and lot. Comment down below what do you think about this house. And kung gusto niyo magpabenta ng property through me, just message me. If you like this house tour, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified for more video house tours. Again, this is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, and see you in my next videos.